This week's question is from Cammy Quach, who is the WA Marketing and Administration Manager at LCI Consultants. LCI is a building engineering design house providing sustainable building services, design solutions tailor-made for their clients. Cammy asked, what style of videos work best on LinkedIn? Progress updates, promotional, candid, personal videos, etc. What is the recommended video length for the best reach? Will it be better to upload the video onto LinkedIn compared to sharing the link, for example YouTube or a video embed? The style of videos that work best on LinkedIn are the videos that work best for your audience. So the first step is to determine who your audience is. Existing clients, prospects, or a combination of both. For the style of video, it is a case of experimenting and seeing which works best. Often you think you have the perfect video content that will go viral, and it doesn't. And sometimes you put a video up thinking it is average and it goes crazy. So within the parameters of your company branding and messaging, experiment and see what works. A good rule of thumb is to give the audience valuable content for free. Save the accolades for the sales process. A rare achievement or milestone here and there is okay. However, my belief is an audience on LinkedIn will respond more favorably to videos where they are learning something or gaining industry knowledge compared to indirect or direct sales pitches. The maximum length for native video in the LinkedIn feed is 10 minutes. However, the optimum length is usually much shorter. Depending on the subject matter, run some trials on videos of different lengths. 2 minutes, 5 minutes, 1 minute, 90 seconds, and use LinkedIn Analytics to measure which video has the most views. Remember, it isn't apples for apples. Some videos may resonate more strongly than others due to their subject matter, or more importantly, their intro. You must make the first 6 seconds of the video exciting, engaging, and worthy of watching. Otherwise, you will find users will just scroll past. Best practice is to upload the video direct to LinkedIn natively. This is because unlike a YouTube embed, it will automatically play, and that activity in itself is more engaging and likely to garner attention than a static YouTube thumbnail image in their feed. Don't be afraid to use humor. It can be a great way to engage your audience, capturing their attention in the critical first moments and get your creative juices flowing, as you will need them to stand out. Look into Adobe's After Effects. This is a software tool that is underutilized on LinkedIn and can make attractive animations to layer over the top of your video to help distinguish yourself from your competitors. Don't forget LinkedIn Stories. LinkedIn Stories enable members and organizations to share images and short videos of their everyday professional moments. Sharing stories is an easy way to share your experiences and insights and to build meaningful relationships within your professional community. LinkedIn shares stories that you post for 24 hours. Of course, you want to ensure this is appropriate for your organization and comply with marketing guidelines and HR policies. That said, organizations that jump on the stories bandwagon can gain a competitive advantage, as many companies have a lot of red tape preventing their employees from posting to stories. So it could be a valuable vantage point. Keeping up with the latest developments on LinkedIn and being one of the first few to use them is a timeless best practice for helping your business stand out from the competition into the future.